Hey, let me show you how you can fix the connection problem of the Redmi Buds 4 Active. So first of all, I can recommend you to go into the settings. Now we are going to focus on the smartphone, and after this we are going to into the earbuds. Go into the settings and be sure that you simply restart the Bluetooth on your phone. So in my case, as you can see, I cannot do this from here. There's like no any switcher, but I can actually turn off the Bluetooth by clicking here. So if you have the same issue on your phone, just turn it off, and now just wait, don't turn it on. The next step we are going to do on our earbuds. First, you have to be sure that you charge your case at least for like 20 or 30%. As you can see, you will get this information. When the indicator lights up, it means that there's like some battery level on the case. Now, when you put both earbuds inside this charging case, you will have to actually open it. Now you have to remove left and the right earbud, and now we have to 30 seconds to make this simple operation. So grab both earbuds and quickly tap 5 times on the left and the right earbud together, just right here in this place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you will hear the beep sound, and after this, these earbuds will turn into the pairing mode. They will go into the pairing mode automatically. So now you have to go into your smartphone, click on this switcher to turn on the Bluetooth, and now just go into the pair new device. Now we have to wait until the earbuds appears. Oh, I just forget about one thing. Okay, it's even working, but in the most cases you have to actually put, after this reset, you have to put these earbuds into the case and now take them off. But in my case, as you can see, they are available, so I can click on them, accept the pairing, and now as you can see, it is finished. So that's how you can fix it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.